Hi, I'm Lady Ducky. Welcome to my page. Um, I am just going to use this platform to kind of put myself out there. I'm going to be probably posting about doing some 2D art, 3D art, and the new journey of voice acting. Never did voice acting before. 3D art and 2D art, yeah, I've done plenty of that. I'm not that great. I mean, I'm good. I'm not like fantastic, but I am pretty good. Anyway, I might stream some art that I do, kind of show you my process, just kind of journeying to become a better artist, as well as my journey of doing voice acting. I have never touched voice acting whatsoever, but it sounds really cool. I like feeling like I'm a character and I can be emotional and passionate, and I find myself really enjoying it. And yeah, so I hope you, I don't know, come hang out and watch the journey. I mean, we could just do this together because I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm learning, which is fun. I'm hoping maybe you guys can teach me stuff, and maybe I can teach you guys some stuff. Yeah, and maybe, like down the road, maybe if I'm, traveling, I know I want to go to Japan. I'd love to post stuff about that, and you guys can be on the journey with me. And yeah, I just starting at the bottom on my journey, and I'm gonna go and see where it takes me. I'm hoping that I can be a really great voice actor. I want to improve as an artist. So yeah, jump on this journey with me, man. If you just want to be hanging out with a goofy, awkward person, that's me. Hi. But yeah, I'll try posting. My goal is to try to post a video every day, but it might be every other day. I do have a 9 to 5, but we'll see. Yeah, I appreciate you. So stay tuned for more. Oh.